Look what I did with my nails. Big deal. Check out my pedicure. Huh? So? Look closer. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Oh no, my toe! Ah! Got her! Did you see the latest 1, 2, 3 Go video? It was awesome! Of course, I've been subscribed forever. Huh? Oh, it's Ryan. He's such a cutie. You like him? Ew, gross! He looks so cool. Well, hello there. Oh gosh, I'm out. Time to talk to her. Hey! Where's he going? Hello, pretty girl. How's it going? Fine. You gotta turn him down. First, let's pop in a red lens. Now stick a tissue piece on the face and wet it. Okay, now make a cut. Split the tissue with the back of a brush like this. Nice. Now add some glue on top. And dry it with a hairdryer. There. Now give it a skin tone. It's gotta look real. Add some powder. And go in with red paint. Color the cut. Blend it with a sponge. Done! Boo! Oh gosh! Did you see that? Buzz off! Priceless! Ooh, that makeup looks awesome! Totally! Perfect for the party! Yeah, everyone will love it! I've got another invite! Not so fast! You gotta do your makeup first! Easy! I'll grab a tissue too. Wet it with a brush and make a side cut. Like this. That's enough. Perfect. Now add some glue on top. And dry it well. Now give it a skin tone. Carefully, like this. Grab a bigger brush and add powder. Nice. Now time to color. Paint it red. Blend it with a sponge. There. Do the same on the other side, and done. You look amazing! Now we're ready for the party. Happy Halloween, everyone! Best party ever! Whoa! We're here! So cool! Let's show them how to dance! All done! My costume's ready, too! Don't forget the sweets! Oh yeah! One sec. Here, take this. Wait, not done yet. Here's some more. Cool! And of course, ice cream! Whew, I'll grab the Coke. Let's go! Uh-oh! Ouch! I fell! But that was awesome! Oh gosh, get up! Here, let me help you. Follow me. This'll be the best Halloween ever! Guess it's time to make my costume. Grab a hoodie and add some feathers. Stick a few colors on the sleeve. Now use the glue gun and add some here. Add more, press tight, and flip it. Now grab the feathers around the sleeve. Just like that. Do the same all over the hoodie. And done. Add some eyes and a beak on the hood. Time to try it on. Nice! Dance, birdie, dance! Oh yeah! What an awesome party!
Totally!
Only one way to make it better.
Agreed! Huh? What's that? Don't you dare kiss her! What? Ooh, must have imagined that.
What's wrong?
Never mind. If you kiss her, I'll hunt for you tonight! No!
Whatever. Forget it.
Hey, don't be mad.
Fine, I forgive you. What's with your hand?
It's not mine.
Wanna play? Gotcha! Okay, time to sell some ice cream. Good luck. Mine looks way cooler. We'll see about that. Two can play this game. How dare you! Hey guys! Want some ice cream? Wow! Looks good. Yeah, we'll buy it. First, check this out. Wow! Hey! Where are you going? Cool! Here's the money! Now that's how it's done. Dang it! Thanks! Not so fast. I've still got lots of ice cream. Buy some more. Okay. Sure. Money first. Not enough. Give me more. I don't have any. Relax. I'll cover it. Much better. Okay, you can go. Run! Oh, I've had enough of this. You'll see. Wait, I've got a better idea. Grab a cone, mark it like this. Now attach a scoop of fake ice cream. Put the cone back on top. Cool! Now let's add some color. Brush across the whole face. Perfect! Also color part of the ice cream. Now paint the rest so it looks like ice cream melted all over my face. Perfect! Time to add sprinkles. A little here, and some on the ice cream too. Nice! Guys! Who wants ice cream?
Awesome! Cool outfit, by the way.
Wow! You look amazing! I'll buy one! Me too! What the heck? Watch and learn! And done! Sold out! No way! New level? Sweet! I love this game! Wait, school already? Oh, not again! All these notebooks and stuff again! I'm so done with studying! What if… Yeah! Today's a perfect day to be sick! It'll be our little secret! Oh, yeah! Ready? What's wrong with you? I feel bad. What's wrong? I'm sick! Let me see. Uh-oh. Poor thing! I'll call a doctor. No need! Guess she's here. I'll open the door. No! Time to teach her a lesson. First, outline around the mouth. Now stick this mask along the mark. Add some more on top. Perfect! Paint the lips black. Cover it nicely. like this. Add some fake fangs. And a bit of red so they look bloody. A little more below. And done. Did someone call a doctor? Let me listen to you. Your blanket's in the way. Oops. You know what happens to people who fake being sick? Roar! Huh? Ah! Let's give you a shot. I better go to school. Easy peasy.